Today we're going to install the Wasserstein Solar Panel for the Ring Video Doorbell 2, and you can find this on Amazon. But basically what this will do is it will keep your Ring Video Doorbell 2 charged. Let's say you go on vacation and you don't have anybody to recharge the battery. The solar panel should take care of the charging of the system. It's eco-friendly, has a 360-degree rotatable mounting bracket. It's pretty easy to install, and it's weather resistant. When you open up the box, this is what you'll find inside. You're going to find the manual. This explains how to install it. You'll find the solar panel, which will be attached to a wire. And then you're going to have the bracket. This is what you'll hook the solar panel to. And then you're going to have the screws and the anchor. So this is what you'll find when you open up your box ready to install the solar panel. Today we're going to be installing the Wasserstein solar charger. If you do have the Wasserstein skin, you will need to remove that, and then you'll need to remove your Ring Video Doorbell. So remember, you've got to take the screw out. We've already done that. We're not going to go into that detail. So you take the screw off of your Ring Video Doorbell 2, pull off the panel, and then you've got to remove your Ring Video Doorbell. Now what's cool is on your screwdriver there is a Phillips that you can use to remove those screws. Just take them out a little bit at a time. Make sure you keep a hold of your screws so you don't lose them. There are 4 of them, 2 on each side. When you're getting ready to remove the last screw, you need to make sure that you've got a hold of your Ring Video Doorbell. If you've got another person with you, they can help. And of course you don't want to lose the screws. Okay, so you remove that. Then you'll notice that there are 2 screws on the back, and there's in your package there are also 2 screws, and I think that's what they're there for, is to, if you don't have these screws on the back, you can use those, but otherwise you don't need to use the 2 extra screws. So what you need to do is you need to loosen up the screws on the back of your Ring Video Doorbell 2, loosen those up, connect your 2 clips. And you want to do it so that it's on the top. It'll run out the top. Make sure they're nice and snug so that they don't fall out. And there you have it. So you're going to mount the Ring Video Doorbell 2 just like you did before. The cords will be running out the top. So you line them up with your anchors, or you might just have a hole for your screw. It's good to have the anchors because they maintain their durability. So you go ahead, and it's probably best to see if you can insert all 4 screws so you know you're lined up. And then maybe just tighten them up a little bit. Make sure you're into the anchor. So we've got 3 out of the 4. There's usually one that's a little bit tricky. Hopefully we won't have that problem again. Oh, we're looking good today. So go ahead and tighten them so that they're nice and tight. Not too tight though, you don't want to strip it. Just nice and snug. Hopefully you won't ever have to charge your battery again. You won't have to take this off again. There you go. Now we've got it installed. They're nice and snug. It's pretty secure. We're going to run our wire up here. All right. Now you've got to be a little bit creative. This is how we're going to run the wire on our home. All right. We're going to now install the bracket. You want to make sure you install it in a place where it's going to get a lot of sunlight. What you want to do is just go ahead and mark where the hole's going to be for your drill, because it's always good, and depending upon what type of surface you're going to install the bracket on, and will determine whether you're going to use the anchors or not. I'm just drilling into wood, so I'm not going to use the anchors. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a drill bit that's a little bit smaller than the screw. You can see that's a little bit smaller. Might even go a little bit smaller than that. That'll just give us a little bit of a start. I'll just drill in a little bit, and then that'll give us a start to set the screw. Alright, so now we're going to drill the holes. I've made 2 marks, and we're just going to drill a little tiny bit just so that we can get our screw started. I want to make sure that it's rotating in the right direction. And again, I'm not going to go in too far. That's probably good. And then our other hole is over here. And that'll get us started. I'm then just going to try and start the screw a little bit before I use my drill. I'll set it a little bit. And I'm going to get the other one. I'll just do this a little tiny bit. There we go. Then I'll go ahead and set the other one, or get it started. Then we'll set that one a little bit. You want to make sure you got to watch out for this bracket, and you might want to just use a screwdriver. We'll go ahead and drive this one in a little bit more. And I'll just hand tighten it the rest of it. You want to put a little bit of pressure so you don't strip the screw. Okay. And then I'm just going to use a screwdriver to set it so that it's snug. You then just go ahead and finish tightening it just so you get it snug. Let me go ahead and put the solar panel on. And then you just go ahead and slide the solar panel on. You got to be really careful. You got to make sure you hold this back, otherwise it might break. Now, one thing you can do is you want to adjust your panel so that it gets most of the sunlight. There's a little screw on this other side you can tighten. Again, you can adjust your panel. You want to get it so that it's in direct sunlight as much as possible, and then you just go ahead and tighten the screw where you want it, and there you have it. The last thing you do is you put on your cover to the Ring Video Doorbell 2, and then of course you've got the small little screw to put in. And there you have it. And here's the final product. Your solar panel, your Ring Video Doorbell 2. Remember, you can buy this on Amazon.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs, and have a great day.